Now let's start by having your partner sit on a chair where they can lean forward with their forearms on their thighs, using their core to brace themselves as your partner works your back. Now, your non-working hand, first thing it should do is find the spine. Put gentle pressure, just have the hand rest there as the massage gun works with your working hand. And then next thing you do, let's turn on the massage gun. Right now, we'll begin in the upper back. And make sure that massage gun follows the hand, or the hand follows the massage gun, however you want to look at it. And we just kind of work the upper back area. And we can change up the technique, kind of work towards the trapezius, making little circles over the muscle, getting that big blanket muscle to relax. Don't forget, check in with them, make sure the pressure's all right. Now let's work the trapezius from a different angle. What I want to do is work it from her side. Same exact concept, non-working hand protects the neck. Always protect your neck. And then go along the meaty part from the inside, right by the protecting hand, to the outside. Avoid the bony bump at the end of the shoulder. Do not put pressure on bones. It's one way to hurt yourself. And just work that muscle belly, making little circles. Then you can work down along the rest of the spine. Make sure that protective hand protects the spine, non-working, light pressure as you do that. And you can work along the ribs, going out, getting the spinal erectors, some of the rotator cuff that's actually on the surface in the back. You can also take care of it there too. Then go down and work along the ribs and all the other muscles there, your lats, serratus anterior, and other muscles of the torso. Now we'll work into the lower back, and make sure you don't let their shirt get caught in the massage gun, because that can get tied up and then all of a sudden their shirt is going to get in the way. Make sure that you still protect the spine as you're watching out for the shirt. Continue to go up and down, taking care of those spinal erectors. Have a stable hand. Almost no pressure with the hand that's protecting the spine. You can put your thumb out to make sure that you don't just go too deep if you're just trying to stay in the lower back and not the glutes. And then this is a good technique you can do. You start from the middle and you work your way out. That way you don't accidentally bump into the spine. You lift and then you go from the middle and you work your way out to the side of the body, going from spinal erector to lats. Make little circles just like that.